Raja Yoga is the science of controlling the mind. By mastering thought waves, one attains inner peace, clarity, and union with the divine. It is practical, scientific, and open to all seekers of truth. Every soul is potentially divine. Raja Yoga provides the method to manifest this divinity by controlling the internal and external nature. Raja Yoga does not demand blind faith. It asks for experiment and experience. Practice sincerely, and you will verify the truths it reveals within yourself. The mind is like a lake. Constant thoughts create ripples. Raja Yoga teaches how to still these waves so the soul can reflect its true divine nature. All spiritual paths lead to the same truth, but Raja Yoga focuses on systematic mental discipline to directly experience that truth. Raja Yoga is not sectarian. It transcends religion, nationality, or creed. It is a universal method to achieve self-realization. The greatest teacher in Raja Yoga is your own soul. Books and teachers can guide, but the real experience comes from practice. The goal of Raja Yoga is liberation, freedom from ignorance, suffering, and bondage, achieved by realizing the soul's true nature. Concentration is the essence of Raja Yoga. A scattered mind is weak. A focused mind is the greatest power in the world. A true Raja Yogi balances work, devotion, and knowledge with meditation, creating harmony in all aspects of life. Thoughts are powerful. Control them, and you control destiny. Raja Yoga purifies and strengthens thoughts, making them instruments of truth. Every act of self-control strengthens the mind. Start with small habits. Gradually, mastery over deeper mental tendencies will come. Repetition of holy thoughts or mantras calms mental turbulence, preparing the mind for deeper Raja Yoga practices. Never fear failure in meditation. Every attempt leaves a lasting impression on the mind, gradually strengthening its control. Do not suppress thoughts violently. Raja Yoga teaches observing them calmly, letting them dissolve naturally by disidentifying from them. Concentration grows through regular practice. Even 5 minutes of focused meditation daily is better than hours of distracted sitting. Avoid mental restlessness. Control of senses and moderation in eating, sleeping, and speaking help stabilize the mind for meditation. The mind is both your best friend and worst enemy. Raja Yoga trains you to master the mind rather than be its slave. Practice pranayama in a quiet, clean place with a calm mind. External and internal purity are essential for safe practice. Raja Yoga does not aim at spectacular powers. Its pranayama is for mental purity, health, and concentration, not for mere display. Breath and mind are interconnected. Controlling the breath through pranayama calms mental agitation, preparing it for meditation. Pranayama awakens dormant mental energy, but without purity and self-control, it may lead to imbalance. Moral discipline is vital. Breathing exercises should be gradual, moderate, and under proper guidance. Excessive strain harms rather than helps. Deep, rhythmic breathing makes the mind steady. The more controlled the breath, the easier it becomes to focus inward. The ultimate goal of pranayama is to withdraw the mind from the senses, turning it inward toward the self. Slow, deep breathing during daily activities reduces stress and prepares the mind for higher Raja Yoga practices. Raja Yoga warns against attachment to psychic experiences from pranayama. They distract from the true goal, liberation. When breath becomes subtle and almost ceases naturally in meditation, the mind enters deep concentration and inner stillness. Concentration is fixing the mind on one point. It is the foundation of higher meditation. Choose an uplifting object for concentration, sacred symbol, divine form, or pure idea. The mind takes the nature of what it dwells upon. Daily, regular meditation is essential. Like physical exercise, mental discipline grows stronger with consistent practice. A steady posture, straight spine, and calm breathing aid concentration. The body must be stable for the mind to be stable. When meditation deepens, time and space disappear. The mind becomes absorbed in its object, reflecting its true nature. Meditation is not imagination. It is training the mind to perceive truth as it is, beyond illusion and distraction. The fruits of meditation are inner peace, strength, clarity, and fearlessness, natural signs of progress in Raja Yoga. Even a little meditation each day changes character profoundly, making one calm, compassionate, and spiritually strong. Samadhi is the culmination of Raja Yoga, perfect absorption of the mind, where the distinction between meditator and meditation disappears. In lower samadhi, the mind still reflects an object. In higher samadhi, nirvikalpa, all duality ceases, and the soul knows its oneness with the infinite. Samadhi cannot be forced. It comes naturally when the mind is purified, concentrated, and detached from desires. Samadhi is not unconsciousness, it is the highest state of awareness, beyond body and mind, where the soul experiences its true nature. Even glimpses of samadhi transform life, bringing fearlessness, compassion, and unshakable inner freedom. Seek samadhi not for powers but for liberation. The aim of Raja Yoga is to know the self, not to gain supernatural abilities. Powers, cities, may appear on the way, but they are distractions. A true yogi ignores them and stays focused on liberation. Samadhi reveals that the soul is ever free, pure, and blissful. Bondage was only an illusion created by ignorance. Liberation through samadhi is not escaping the world but realizing the divine in everything, living with perfect inner freedom. Moral purity, yama, and discipline, niyama, are the foundation. Without truthfulness, non-violence, and purity, meditation cannot succeed. Regularity in practice is essential. A fixed time, clean place, and disciplined routine deepen concentration and mental steadiness. Diet affects the mind. Simple, pure, and moderate food keeps the body light and the mind calm for Raja Yoga. A Raja Yogi should live simply, avoiding unnecessary luxury, distraction, and attachment to material possessions. Avoid anger, jealousy, and hatred. Such emotions disturb the mind and make meditation impossible. Work with detachment. A true yogi balances meditation with selfless service, keeping the mind calm amidst activity. Keep good company. Associating with spiritual and pure-minded people strengthens the mind for higher practices. The goal of Raja Yoga is not escape from life but mastery over it, living in the world as a free, fearless, and compassionate soul. These are the teachings of Swami Vivekananda focused on Raja Yoga. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.